Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make this fun motion. Create a new composition. Name it C. About 9 or 10 seconds is enough. Import boat vector. Import it as composition, retain layer size. Put it in the main composition. Press P. Set correct position places at the beginning and the end. For now, we don't need it. Create a rectangle. Don't forget to name your layers. Change its path to Bezier path to deform it. Duplicate it and change the color. Rename and change the shape. Repeat these steps and create 5 shapes. Like that. Let's work on the first shape. Pre-compose it. Name Wave 1. Add wave effect to it. Duplicate the effect to have a deformed wave. We need to set the width, height, and wave speed for each effect and each shape. To have more control over it, let's try a different way. Press Alt-Control-Shift-Y to create a null object. Name it Wave Controller. Add slider control to it. For each parameter, we need one slider control. For both waves, we need 6 slider control. Lock Null Effect Control Panel. Open Wave Effect. On Wave Height. Press Alt and click on Stopwatch next to it. Now grab the pick whip inside Wave Height, and link it to its related slider control on the null object. Then type in minus. Again grab pick whip and point to its layer and type the following. Do the same for wave width. And type the following. And also for wave speed. We write these expressions to a different wave style for each layer. Also in this way, we can change all waves in one edit. Don't forget it. A null object is our friend. Repeat the process for other shapes. Copy and paste waves, effects and expressions on them. Add a color palette. You can use coolors.com. Create a rectangle by double-clicking on its icon. Now you have a rectangle with composition size. Set the fill color as white. Put under Wave 1 composition. Set matte to alpha inverted matte. Group them by label color. Repeat the process for other compositions. Select a color according to the palette. The last layer should be the darkest one. Move compositions to the top left corner. Parent them to boat. Now we have this nice result. Let's make it better. On the top surface right-click. Select Layer Style. Then drop Shadow. Try a setting that suits your design. Let's have more control over shadow as well. Create null. Name it Shadow Controller. Add 3 slider control. For size, spread, and distance. Link effect attributes to the sliders. Copy and paste it for other layers. The result is like that. Let's add some details, like extra shapes. Drew a line. Use the taper option under stroke, and change the shape. Or use any other style that is better for your design. Check the result on the main composition. Do this for other compositions as well. Let's fast forward to the final parts. Thanks for watching this video.